of sleepless nights and constant tossing and turning? Naomi Home presents the idealBase adjustable bed. The best way to achieve a good night's rest. Raise and lower the headrest and footrest to your desired height with a push of a button. Feel the weight of the day slip away as you elevate your legs or raise your head to find that perfect spot. Choose from 4 built-in positions designed to maximize your comfort. Whether it's the lounge position for reading, TV mode for entertainment, flat to feel supported in every way, or the zero gravity position to relieve pressure, and for those moments when you need a little extra relaxation. Indulge in the soothing head and foot massage feature. With 3 levels of intensity, you can personalize your comfort and truly unwind. Say goodbye to staying up all night with the Naomi Home idealBase adjustable bed. This adjustable base comes in various sizes such as full, queen, twin, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.